the human body. Can anybody tell me some major organs of the human body? Jordan.
Your lungs.
Your lungs, right. Michael. Your brain. Kylie. Your rib cage. What is your rib cage a part of? No. What is your rib cage a part of? What is your ribs? What are they? Bones, right? And that's part of the skeletal system. Emily. The heart. Good job. Radini. Your stomach. Good job. And there's one more that we've been talking about. Amaya. We haven't really been talking about intestines. What's that other system that we've been talking about? Toby. They're attached to the bones. Attached to the bones. Brendan.
The muscular system.
The muscular system. Good job. So, before we get started on our lesson today, what I want you to do, we're going to do a 5-minute activity. So I'm going to give each group a important body part, okay? And I want you to write down as many things as you know about that body part. So you can tell me how many of those organs are in the body, or you can tell me if you know what side that organ is on the body. You can tell me what that body part do. You can tell me how to keep that body part healthy and strong. Remember, we've been talking about this for 2 days, so you can tell me if you know anything, how we can keep those body parts strong, if you know what side it's on, how many organs are in the body of that particular organ.
I may have to step off.
Okay. All right, so we have 1, 2. So we're gonna just keep you in your groups, and I'm gonna give it to you. Don't start. So this right here, what system is this?
Body. The skin.
No, the muscles, the muscular system. So group 1, I'm gonna give you the muscular system, and I just need one person to write, and we're all gonna work together, okay? I want you to write down as many things as you know. What is this a picture of? The stomach. All right, group 2, you're getting the stomach.
Which one
you
do
have
I
their
open?
unique class,
Yes.
I want you to stay quiet until I'm done explaining, and then you can talk to your team, okay? Yes, move over there where we're meeting.
Can I
Okay, Miss Avera's class, I need you to stay quiet until I'm done explaining it, so then you can work with your team quietly. Okay. Bryson, come up here for me. What system is this, class?
The bones.
The bones. Okay, so group 3 is getting the bones. Remember, each group, if you are a really neat writer, you're going to be the writer for the group. What is this? The lungs. You're getting the lungs. What is this, guys?
First, we all need to see this.
Okay, listen. I didn't start my timer. I did not start my timer, so you should not be writing anything down. Okay, so you're going to work with, okay, this is the what?
Your bones are nice, strong.
Okay,
You didn't get no paper.
sorry. Okay, Miss Avera's class, listen. Okay, remember guys, we gotta stay quiet. There's testing next door. We're using our whispering voices, okay? We're using our whispering voices. We're not starting until I start the timer. We're gonna have 5 minutes to write down as many things as we know about that human organ system, okay? So I'm gonna start my timer. When you hear the bell ring, then you're gonna stop. Go ahead. You can start. Right now, there's many things in 5 minutes. Okay, I want you to write down. I want everybody to give input, okay? So Major, I want you to help as well.
I think that, I think we should take that.
Well, how about this? You write one sentence, he write one sentence. Okay. Yes. It's okay. It's okay. But we can take turns, right? We're gonna take turns. So I want you to write a sentence and then Kylie can write a sentence. Kylie, you go ahead and you need to start getting, because we only have 5 minutes, remember? Write down as many as you can. I want to see who can get the most, okay? Okay. Major, I need you to participate, okay? Well, he can talk about it, that's good.
Well, I have to write
All right, I see one group already have 3 facts down. So you better get to writing. And we have about 2.5 more minutes. 2.5 more minutes.
Yeah. You both said yeah at the same time. Wait, no, I'm gonna do a fact that I know. No, this is good. That's just a fake one. Okay, so knockout.
Major, have you told them anything about the lungs?
Not yet.
Tell them something about the lungs that you know.
Oh.
Well, you're gonna write it down, so that's fine.
I know this.
Well, you write it down, okay? You write it down.
No. The right one takes in the most oxygen. Right is one of the facts.
Get as many down as you can. Just try to think of as many as you can, okay?
What your lungs are not
But you don't have the lungs. You have the blood.
I have really good lungs. Your mouth is already
You guys have about 1 more minute. You getting some facts down? You guys have 1 more minute. Let's see who can get the most facts down. than 3 facts, raise your hand. If you got more than 4 facts, raise your hand.
No.
If you got more than 5, raise your hand. Okay. So we have one group who got more than 5. So what?
We got exactly 5.
So Emily, tell us what you have. What did you have?
Your hands help you.
No, what system did you have?
The bones.
The bones, the skeletal system. So tell the class, read your facts. Tell them to the class. What do you have?
The bones help you move.
The bones help you move.
Your bones help you get strong.
Your bones help you get strong.
Your leg bones help you walk.
Your leg bones help you walk. Good job.
Your jaw bones help you eat.
Your jaw bones help you eat. Good job.
Your hand bones help you grab.
Your hand bones help you to grab. Good job. You had 6 facts. You guys did really good. Okay, where's my group who had 5?
Oh,
Okay.
no, we didn't have 5. We didn't have 5. We had 4, but.
Okay, well we'll do you guys. Okay, tell the class what you have, please. What did you have? What organ? What organ?
The heart.
Okay, hold it up, Radini, so everyone can see the heart. Okay, read your facts to us. The heart pumps blood. Emily, listen. Sit down. It beats. When you run, your heart beats fast.
And when your heart was slow, it calms.
So if your heart is beating slow, then it must be calm. Okay, you must be calm. So when you do jumping jacks or exercise, your heart beats fast. Okay, good job, group. Okay, our next group. Olivia, tell us what organ do you have? The brain. Okay, hold the picture of the brain up for me, Jace. Let everybody see the brain. Okay, read your facts for us.
Your brain can help your muscles move.
Your brain can help your muscles move.
Your brain can help you move your body.
The brain can help you move your body. Do you have any more? Okay.
But the big one is slow something.
Okay, that's fine. Okay. Michael, what organ do you have?
The lungs.
The lungs. Okay, so Kylie, read to us your facts. Hold your picture of the lungs so everyone can see it, Michael. Okay. Huh? So Brendan, listen guys. Group 1. Group 1, you need to listen. Listen. Okay, group 1. Okay, go ahead. Talk loud so they can hear you.
The right lung takes in the most oxygen.
The right lung takes in the most oxygen. That's a really good fact.
I change oxygen. The lungs change
The lungs change
oxygen.
oxygen. And what else do you have?
The lungs is the biggest.
The lungs are the biggest, what? The biggest what?
No.
The biggest what?
Organ.
The lungs are the biggest organ of the body. Good job. Okay. So what do you have? What do you have? What organ do you have, guys? All right, listen up. We got to be kind to our classmates. We got to listen. The stomach. Hold your stomach up so everyone can see it. Okay, Amaya. Actually, Abigail, go ahead. Read to us what you have, Abigail. There is acid in the stomach. Sit down. And what else do you have? Digest. It digests food. And it breaks down food. Good job. Okay, let me hold your organ. Okay, our last group. What system did you have? The muscular. Hold it up so everyone can see it. All right, Amaya, retest what you have. The muscles are strong. The muscles are healthy. The muscles are part of your body. So good job, everyone. It looks like you know a lot about the human body, but we're gonna find out if you guys are correct. You can go ahead and go back to your seat. Make sure you sit on your bottom, okay? Okay, so what we're going to do now, we're gonna watch a video on the human body. It's gonna have a lot of fun facts about it, and it's a really cute and fun video. It's really fast. So before I get into my lesson, we're gonna watch a video, okay? If you cannot see, quietly come to the front row.
Welcome to the circulatory system. This is the heart, the driving force between the whole system. The circulatory system brings blood to all the parts of your body. You should exercise and eat healthy foods to take care of your circulatory system. The heart is a muscle. Every beat pushes blood through your entire body. Close your fist. That's how big your heart is. It's a little to the left in the middle of your chest. Now that you've learned all about the heart, let's see what your blood does.
Hi, I'm a red blood cell, and I deliver oxygen to cells. That's their main energy supply. These are white blood cells, and they're in charge of fighting off foreign substances. These are platelets. Their job is to fix veins and arteries when you cut yourself. They keep the blood inside where it belongs. Together we make up blood, the red fluid that comes out of you when you cut yourself. Our journey starts and ends in the heart. Blood is delivered to the entire body through blood vessels, tubes to transport it. Arteries are the vessels that bring us from your heart to your organs and your cells. Capillaries are small vessels where oxygen and food are exchanged. Veins are the vessels that bring us back to your heart from your organs. That's how cells and organs get the food and oxygen they need to survive. Then blood, specifically us, the red blood cells, take all the waste left by the cells and the carbon dioxide. Here we are at the heart. This is where our trip ends. Before we start a new trip, let's get loaded up with oxygen and nutrients. Thanks for helping us out. See you soon.
The respiratory system extracts oxygen from the air, a gas our cells need to live and grow. The respiratory system also eliminates carbon dioxide that cells produce after using oxygen. This process is known as respiration. Respiration is an automatic, involuntary process. Air comes in through your nose and encounters little hairs that moisten it, heat it, and clean it to keep dirt out of your lungs. The air continues down the pharynx, the larynx, and then the trachea. The trachea, or windpipe, splits into two to make the bronchus and